Well, hello everybody. Um, well, I made it to my next stop, uh, second campground. This is called Shawinanu. Shawananu. Shawananu. County Park Campground. Pretty nice. Water's real close. Um, I think I'm gonna walk my kayaks down tomorrow. I'm only going to stay here a couple of days, 3 days, 2 nights. It is in Wisconsin. So I'll show you a picture here. That's the place. And so yeah, not well. I was supposed to stay at the tent area, you know, but they have all kinds of construction going on, and I wasn't able to drive back there and stuff. So she said just park anywhere. I guess after their big holiday, this last one, Labor Day, everybody kind of evacuated. So, which hey, thumbs up for me. So park's pretty much empty, or they're out fishing, playing on the lake. So, um, yeah, I drove about five hours. Started getting tired, so I said, let's pull over. Uh, was going to try to do a little bit more and make it to the park area, but I didn't want to drive an extra 159 miles. So, um, yeah, so I'll kill a couple days here. Anyway, going around this lake here, there had to have been at least 50 bars. I mean, we're talking, this has got to be like the party capital of Wisconsin or something like that. Because literally there was bar all the way around. I only went halfway around the lake too. So maybe I'll break out the Harley and do the whole lake thing. Um, yeah, real clean, quiet. Um, I got my stuff set up. Uh, Met some really nice people at my last camp space. Um, really enjoyed myself there. So, like I said, going to kill a couple more days here and maybe ride the Harley, take the kayak out. I might even stay an extra day. You know, I told her 2 nights, but I might stay 3 nights. You know, I still got a long time to kill. Um, so, cheers. Having a beer, everything's set up. Gonna have some dinner, and yeah, kick back. All right, guys. See ya on the flip side.